Shakespeare spared us of the spear. Through wars they defeated us. He shook the war spear, sparingly sparing us for humor. He localized and made accessible humor reserved for kings. Through reservation, we access the poetic reservation. His reserve actions preserved our important lives. He imported us from fear or fears and their plagues. Like Jesus who, I kid you not, stole hearts through kids. He became a kid, and we saw his blood penetrate through Adam's skull. We smile like the Huawei emoji skull. Through Shakespeare, our skulls were spared from the war spears. From Eve's self-fillet to Cain whipping Abel off the earth, to intentional spears against God's will, ousting us from earth. Through Shakespeare, our skulls were spared from the war spears, pointy and perceptually penetrating. Shakespeare stole us through acting, yes, and he didn't make a sanction. And so this whole section is me not acting, but excited that I penetrated through to Shakespeare. Through Africa I found access to the mental sphere. I reverberate rhythm as I also say all the world is a stage. Page through my virtual space and let's space out without space muffins. Yes, nyak funa, to play with these chords, rhythmatized through still tax-free words. Get in my virtual taxi and enjoy the free ride. I am sporadic, penetrating self-verbally. Verbose, I am my own boss. Of course I hold the Shakespearean spear. Enjoy this rhythmic milkshake. I promise you no forbidden apple here. A shake here, a shake here. Find your share and let's enjoy these chords. I mean words that spear off the devil. I get why they say our ancestors are evil, cause if you flip step daddy devil you have the word lived. Like Shakespeare I'm flipping the sword. Don's word isn't art, just a giant orgasm. A poetry planting Jesus at the Genesis. This mind generates for generations present. We are presents of paint the stage for the future for when they are present. And through these words they will learn poetry and present their perceived continual chords. Answers are key, documented, be documented by others. Take your spear, your words, and create beautiful perceptual swords. What are the odds? The world is broad. P.S. I'm just a bored girl penetrated by fullness through Africa to find fulfill my desires as I derived in 2006. 20 years since Matric and I'm aligned on the mental algorithm, fueled like Amaluthala at Jubilee. 20 yen! 20 yen! 10!